Alright, science enthusiasts, today I've got a fascinating topic for you. Ever wondered why when you light a candle, only the wick burns and not the whole wax? Let's dive into the science behind this. When you ignite a candle, the heat from the flame melts the wax near the wick. This liquid wax is then drawn up the wick by capillary action. Once it reaches the flame, it vaporizes and combusts, giving us that beautiful steady light. So essentially it's the wax vapor that's actually burning, not the solid wax itself. Now you might think, why doesn't the entire candle just go up in flames? Well, wax has a relatively high heat capacity and melting point. The flame's heat is mostly concentrated on the wick, not the surrounding wax. So only a small portion of wax melts and vaporizes at a time, keeping the rest of the candle intact. But what if we could heat the wax to a sufficient temperature all at once? Would the entire candle burn? Let's try a little experiment. For this, you'll need a metal container, a hot plate, and of course a candle. Place the candle inside the metal container and put it on the hot plate. Heat the container gradually until the entire candle melts into liquid wax. Make sure you do this in a well-ventilated area and have safety measures in place. Once the wax is fully melted, carefully use a long lighter to ignite the liquid wax. What you'll see is a large flame, much different from the usual candle flame. The entire surface of the liquid wax will burn because it's all at the right temperature for combustion. Pretty cool, right? This experiment clearly shows that it's all about the temperature and state of the wax. As long as the wax is solid and below its melting point, only the wick will draw up melted wax and burn. But once the wax is heated sufficiently and uniformly, it all becomes part of the combustion process. So next time you light a candle, you'll know exactly why it burns the way it does. Keep experimenting and stay curious. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.